Be ready. Start. The application satisfies the requirements set out in section 94 or 95. Stop. The applicant has provided information and given explanation sought by the resolution professional under subsection 4. Stop. After examination of the application under subsection 6, he may recommend acceptance or rejection of the application in his report. Stop. Where the resolution professional finds that the debtor is eligible for a fresh start under chapter 2, the resolution professional shall submit a report recommending that the application by the debtor under section 94 be treated as an application under section 81 by the adjudicating authority. Stop. The resolution professional shall record the reasons for recommending the acceptance or rejection of the application in the report under subsection 7. Stop. The resolution professional shall give a copy of the report under subsection 7 to the debtor or the creditor as the case may be. Stop. Para. The adjudicating authority shall within 14 days from the date of submission of the report under section 99 pass an order either admitting or rejecting the application referred to in section 94 or 95 as the case may be. Stop. Where the adjudicating authority admits an application under subsection 1, it may, on the request of the resolution professional, issue instructions for the purpose of conducting negotiations between the debtor and creditors and for arriving at a repayment plan. Stop. The adjudicating authority shall provide a copy of the order passed under subsection 1 along with the report of the resolution professional and the application referred to in section 94 or 95 as the case may be to the creditors within 7 days from the date of the said order. Stop. If the application referred to in section 94 or 95 as the case may be is rejected by the adjudicating authority on the basis of report submitted by the resolution professional that the application was made with the intention to defraud his creditors or the resolution professional, the order under subsection 1 shall record that the creditor is entitled to file for a bankruptcy order under chapter 4. Stop. Para. A conjoint reading of the provision shows that whenever an application under section 94 or 95 is filed, the first stage is to appoint a resolution applicant who, after inquiry, is required to submit a report under section 99 of IBC. Stop. We further observed that the question of admission or rejection of the application can only arise when the report is submitted by the resolution professional under section 99 of IBC, when the matter will be taken up under section 100 of the IBC. Stop. Here, admittedly, the matter is pending for appointment of resolution professional under section 97 and not hearing on the merit of the application under section 100 of the IBC. Stop. For the purpose of appointment of resolution professional, the adjudicating authority is required to examine the details and the documents accompanied with the application as required under section 95 within bracket 4 of the IBC, and when in terms of the provisions contained in section 95 within bracket 4 of the IBC we considered the averments made in the application, then we are of the considered view that there is default in payment of the debt and the CIRP against principal borrower has already been initiated wide order dated 12/10/2021 in an application filed by one Messrs Swastik Pipe Limited under Section 9 of the IBC. Therefore, default in payment is admitted. Stop. We further observed that a demand notice had already been sent and the respondent had appeared. Therefore, there was no occasion for issuance of notice. Stop. We further notice that the applicant has also proposed the name of resolution professional at page 41, part 4 of the application. Therefore, in our considered view, that the applicant has fulfilled the criteria as laid down in section 95 within bracket 4. Hence, we are inclined to proceed in the matter in accordance with law. Stop. Since the applicant has proposed the name of the resolution professional, therefore, we hereby appoint Mr. Gautam Mittal as resolution professional. Stop. The resolution professional shall exercise all the powers enumerated under section 99 of IBC 2016, read with relevant rules made thereunder. Stop. He is further directed to examine the application and make recommendations along with the reasons in writing for acceptance or rejection of this application within the stipulated period as mentioned in the provision of section 99 of IBC and submit a report in terms of section 99 within bracket 7 of the IBC. Stop. Para. In terms of section 96 within bracket 1, the interim moratorium commences on the date of the application in relation to all the debts and shall cease debts of the personal guarantor and shall cease to have effect on the date of admission of such application. Stop. Para. The applicant and the registry are directed to serve a copy of this order along with copy of documents immediately on the resolution professional for information and compliance. Stop. Over.